Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to file a claim for a refund. This can happen for many different reasons. In most cases, let's say you show up at a listing and it's not what you expected, or it doesn't have as many bedrooms or something else, whatever the problem it can be. Maybe there was no parking and you had to find alternative parking, and that cost you money. If you think you are entitled to a refund, you file the claim through the resolution center and you have 14 days to do that. So you can do this from many different pages on the site, but we are going to start here from the main traveling page. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and tap on your messages. Once you are in your messages, you are going to find the message thread with your host. When you do that, just come over to the right hand side. You are going to scroll down, and right here you are going to see the introduction to the resolution center, and all you do is click on send or request money. In there, if you are within 14 days of checkout, then you can click this and go ahead and file these steps to file a claim against the host. Now they have 3 days to answer. If they deny it, or if they do not respond within 3 days, then go back to the resolution center and click involve Airbnb. At this point, the resolution center will step in and mediate this claim. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.